to another Sunday cooking episode here on our channel. Special fatalo to our Ainga members. Today we are doing a falifu. So we've got taro, banana and breadfruit inside the falifu. After that we'll head to the house to actually do the cooking. I think we've got turkey tail, chicken and fish on the menu, so looking forward. We'll try to keep the dishes simple because there's quite a lot and it's a little after 9 now. So fingers crossed we get most of the food done. But yeah, be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you enjoy our content today, guys, and we'll catch you soon. Alright guys, just a bit of an update. We've got just placed in the taro now, breadfruit. So it's taro, breadfruit and then banana. That's the order we're doing. Yeah, bananas are last because they tend to cook fairly quick. But now we're gonna wait for this to cook. I've also got Siave now getting started on the veggies for the food. So we've got pak choy, cucumbers. We're just gonna do the fish with salt and water. BP, the turkey tail, we're gonna do it with cucumbers, and then we're gonna do a bit of chicken soup. Alright, it's 10 o'clock now, and we've got 3 dishes that are currently not even started, but I'm still waiting on the sucker, so I think I'm gonna leave the sucker and get started on the other stuff. Then we'll check back and hopefully the sucker's not bala. It is raining now. Alright guys, so I'm here at the kitchen. I'll show you guys what we've got. So as someone mentioned in the previous barbecue episode, it's probably best to cook the BP a bit first before marinating. I like that advice. I did cook it just a little bit. It's probably been 20 minutes since. The reason why I just cooked it like that is because I want to remove the feathers, the bits of the feathers that are stuck inside. Got the chicken out. It's not even defrosted yet, which is not good. I'm here working on the cucumbers. Got pak choy over there, and then we've got the fish in here. So quite a lot of things to do now, but let's get stuck into it now and then check back on the sucker. Raining at the moment. It's raining at the moment. Let's go check on the sucker. We had a bit of a problem. I came in entire pepe. It was on the floor because of the dog, and also the bananas were on the floor, so I had to scrape some coconuts again and then also clean up the bananas. So after that I went back, got the phone, and now we're going to finish the sucker now. Lots of problems. You can see there, right there was where I came and caught the dog. Was just drinking up all the pepe while the ka'angoa was on its side. So then I had to chase away the dog, and then pepe. This is what happens when you got 2 things going at one time. Alright friends, we'll just finish adding in the coconut cream. I'm going to give it 10 minutes until it starts to woozy or just boil a bit. And then we'll take it off the heat and then head to the house. Alright, sucker's ready. We're going to take it to the house, and then we've got about an hour left. It's almost 11 and we need to get started on the other food. Alright guys, so we're finally here now. Show you guys what I was doing in between. So we've got the turkey tail on, waiting for that to reduce. We've got the chicken in here for the soup. Siave has kindly finished off cutting our pak choy, onions, cucumber and the stalks. Only thing left now is to ungafilea, which is removing the scales, and then gut it, and then we'll pop it onto the heat as well. Alright, so just added in a bit of oyster sauce and then the onions and the garlic. I'm gonna add the veggies soon, and then let's see how that goes. Alright guys, so we purposely put away the stalks for the pak choy because we're gonna add into the stir fry, while the leaves we're going to add into the soup. So we're gonna do that now. Right guys, so we finally come to the end of the episode today. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. I enjoyed making it too, so I'm going to show you guys the results. And yeah, it's very hungry at the moment. Alright, we've got our falifu kalu, fa'ulu. The fa'i was pala, so you can see bits of it still stuck on the taro there. Pala and falifu kama. Then we've got our ngai. Just salt and water and onion. We've got our turkey tail with cucumber and the stalks of the pak choy. Very nice. Then we've got our supo moa with pak choy, the leaves, and noodles. The stock for this is really good. I had a taste of it while I was doing the cooking. Man, so nice. Alright. So yeah guys, that's our dish. That is our food for today guys. Looks really good. How's that? Yeah, yes. So now gonna enjoy the food with the family. I really appreciate the support guys from everyone. You know, you guys really help us, and I'm glad that you guys enjoy the content we push out every Sunday. Be sure to catch us on our next episode. Have a blessed week, have a blessed Sunday. And yeah, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel. Definitely catch you on our next episode. But until then, God bless, take care, stay safe. See you guys soon.